Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a glider out of foam board. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need a sheet of foam board, a sharp craft knife, and a reliable ruler for precise cuts. Don't forget your hot glue gun and some fine grit sandpaper for smooth edges. A cutting mat is also super helpful to protect your table while you work. Having these items ready makes the building process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now let's get to cutting our glider's components. Carefully measure and cut the fuselage to a length of 12 inches. For the main wing, aim for a width of 8 inches and a chord of 3 inches. Next, you'll need to create two identical tail fins, each standing 3 inches tall. Precision here is key for good flight performance, so take your time with each cut. Remember, sharp tools make clean cuts. With all your pieces cut, it's time for assembly. Begin by attaching the main wing securely to the center of the fuselage. Make sure it's perfectly perpendicular for stable flight. Next, secure the two tail fins to the rear of the fuselage, ensuring they are straight and aligned. Use a small, consistent amount of hot glue for strong, lightweight bonds. Let each joint cool completely before moving on to the next step. Finally, let's balance and test your new glider. A good starting point for balance is at 1/3 of the wing's chord from the leading edge. If your glider is tail-heavy, add small weights like a coin to the nose until it balances correctly. Find a calm, open area to gently launch your glider. Observe its flight path and make small adjustments to the tail fins if needed for a smooth, straight glide. Happy flying!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.